Megasporogenesis, that is formation of female gametophyte. Megaspores are formed by megaspore mother cells. These megaspore mother cells, they divide in the micropylar region of nucellus. The division is meiotic in nature, thus megaspores are formed. Now in majority of flowering plants, as 4 megaspores are formed, 3 usually degenerates and 1 megaspore is functional, which leads to formation of embryo sac, and as only 1 megaspore is responsible for the formation of embryo sac, hence it is known as monosporic development. Now let us study the process, how it happens. First, there is the mitotic division. The megaspore is divided mitotically, which results in formation of 2 nuclei. Then there is another subsequent mitotic division which leads to formation of 4 nuclei. Now these nuclei, as they divide, they tend to get apart, that is, they tend to get distanced and positioned at 2 different poles. Further, from 4 it is again the mitotic division which leads to 8 nucleus, but to take in account, these divisions are free nuclear division, that is, the nucleus may be dividing but there is no cell wall formation immediately after the division of nucleus. At this, the final stage, cell wall starts to appear, and this is the mature female gametophyte. This is the chaliceal end of it. This is the filiform apparatus, and this is the polar nuclei, central cell, 3 antipodals. This is the egg, and this complete is known as egg apparatus. In egg apparatus, you will find 2 synergids and 1 egg. Now these synergids, they are known to have a outgrowth which is known as filiform apparatus, which is found to be very helpful in guiding the pollen. When the pollen grain lands on the pistil, then this filiform apparatus, it helps the guiding of pollen tubes towards the egg. Now what happens is, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 nucleus, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 cells. Thus a mature female gametophyte is 8 nucleate but 7 celled. So the process is, the cell will divide mitotically, 2 nucleus will form. This mitotic division will continue, leading to formation of 8 nucleus. After the formation of 8 nucleus, cell walls will start appearing, and as these cells wall will appear, the female gametophyte will have different structures, which is antipodals, polar nuclei, center cell and egg apparatus. Egg apparatus consists of synergids as well as egg. Synergids helps the guidance of pollens towards the egg, and thus fertilization happens.